Hi guys, it's Jen and welcome back to my channel. So today I am going to be doing my monthly favorites for February, the month of love, or the month of not so much love if you don't got nobody to love. So anyways, I post videos on Tuesdays and Thursdays. If you want to check out any of my other videos, I will have some linked at the end of the video and throughout the video and cards if you want to check them out. But first, go ahead and subscribe and hit the like button because it helps me out a lot. I'm going to jump into these monthly favorites. So for my first monthly favorite, you guys know I have been obsessed with eyelashes here lately. The Kiss Lash Couture has been my favorite. This is in the set in Moonlight. I've been loving these. They're so fluffy and so wispy. They're just so gorgeous. And I think that they're starting to get to the point that I might not be able to use them anymore, which kind of makes me sad, but I do have a backup pair. I actually love these. I don't know what else to say besides I love them. They are so good. And if you guys have a really good lash glue that you like, please let me know because I switched over to the Duo one with the little brush applicator and I don't really like it. Like I feel like I don't get enough glue or it's just too black. Like I don't know, I think I'm gonna switch back to the like white one in the Squeezy tube or maybe try the white one with the brush applicator. I don't know. But I'm not really enjoying this, so this is kind of a dud for me for the month, even though I've been loving those lashes. So I'm gonna go ahead and jump into some eyeshadow. The Wet n Wild quads, I only kept 2 out of that video and I told you guys that I was only going to be keeping 2 out of my review of them, and that was Petal Petite and Hooked on Vinyl, and I've been loving these this month. Petal Petite was a great Valentine's Day makeup palette. Very beautiful. So this guy right here is the ColourPop Sculpting Stick. This, they don't even sell anymore on the ColourPop website, but I have been using this all month. And it kind of makes me sad that they got rid of these. I don't know, I can't remember. Like I think people really didn't like these, but I actually really liked these. I didn't ever try the highlighting sticks that they came out with, but the sculpting sticks I really did enjoy, and I'm kind of sad that they got rid of them. I wish they would kind of just bring them back just for, I don't know, like a limited edition time or something, but I really did enjoy these. And this was just their basic new Renaissance. This was the first one that they came out with, and then they came out with a bunch of different colors. This is the only one I ever bought because I never really thought about getting any more. And I mean, I still have a ton of products in here. So, I mean, it's gonna be a while before I ever run out of this. But it's definitely a monthly favorite, and it's not a product I use on camera a lot just because of the fact that you can no longer buy it. The next thing I'm going to talk about is the Collab Kill the Shine pressed powder, and this is in the shade Porcelain. I'm actually wearing it right now with a crap ton of highlighter, but I think it does a really great job at mattifying your face. I did a full video of like where I hauled this in first impression, and this I absolutely love. I take this, throw this in my purse. It works so well. I actually do use the little sponge applicator, that's why it's so dirty. And I use that a lot of times in my purse whenever I need to like touch up throughout the day, get that little extra shine off my face. It is just a really great powder for on the go. I still have been loving my Maybelline Fit Me, but I'm kind of using this before, and this is kind of a after powder like throughout the day, but I still use this a lot of the times to set my face if I'm not using the loose powder. Just kind of depends. So for highlighter this month, I've been loving the ColourPop Lunch Money, the Super Shock Pearlized highlighter. That's what it looks like. It's a gorgeous shade. This has been like my forever favorite highlighter by them that's in the Super Shock formula. It's just so beautiful. My next monthly favorite is the MAC Blush in Harmony. Kathleen Lights, I'm pretty sure, recommended this a couple years ago, and I picked it up a little while after that. I cannot remember when she recommended it, but I picked it up because I was like, she loves it, I'm gonna love it too. And I really do love this blush. I do not use this like to like use as a regular blush. I use this more on the days whenever I don't want to put a lot of makeup on. I will throw this on and kind of put it as like a contour and blush together and basically use it that way. Sometimes I do use this as a bronzer like all over the face, but a lot of times I'll just kind of put it right there in that one little area of the face just to bronze things up and make it more natural looking, if that makes sense. You can get a little heavy-handed with this. I sure have a couple of times, but I love this. It is perfect for the days when I don't want to wear a ton of makeup, but I still want to look like good and like I have some color and break up my face a little bit. My next monthly favorite has been in my favorites several times, and that is the ColourPop Aquarius lip gloss. And I don't think this one's ever not going to be really in my favorites. I wear this all the time, especially on those days where I don't really want to wear a lot of makeup, or even if I have like a really dramatic eye, I just pop this on and this goes with every single eye look. It just looks beautiful, and it pretty much goes with like, I don't even care if I have like a big red clown cheeks or something. This would still look good on my lips with big red clown cheeks if I did something like that. But this just looks great with everything. Like, I don't know what in the world like Kathleen did in Aquarius to like make it the perfect shade for like everyone. It's just so beautiful. And as you can tell, I really like Kathleen Lights. My next monthly favorite is going to be the Maybelline Stay Matte Inks. These were in my monthly favorites last month, but I don't think I had these two shades at the time. I am slowly picking all of these shades up, and the two shades I've been loving this month, even though, I mean, I've been wearing like bright colorful things, I've been wearing bright colorful lips. This isn't really bright and colorful, but it's a nude. This one is in Heroin, and it's this really bright orange, and I've been loving this shade. I don't know, like, this is not a shade I normally like gravitate towards or pick up, but I kind of forced myself to use it, and then after I started using it, I was like, oh my goodness, this looks gorgeous on me. So I don't know, maybe I'm gonna start getting more into warmer lipsticks. I am kind of wearing a warm one today, but it's not this. And then this one is Loyalist, and I've just really enjoyed this shade. It works so well to like mix in with other lipsticks, especially other matte lipsticks, and like kind of put this one in the center of the lip. And I've just enjoyed it, and it on its own I really enjoyed it. I just have to kind of apply a darker lip liner, and it just looks beautiful. And my last monthly favorite has absolutely nothing to do with beauty. It is cookies. The Rice Krispie Treats, and I'm calling these cookies, I guess, because they're sweet, and I have not really talked about it on my channel, but I have been losing a little bit of weight. Now, I don't know if you could really tell or not, but I have lost a little bit of weight, and I have been enjoying the Rice Krispie Treats as my sweet treat. Basically at the end of the night or during the day, if I want something sweet. I have been really good today. I haven't had one, but I really like the original Rice Krispies, and then the chocolate ones too. They're only 90 calories, and then for this one and cookies and cream, it's only 100 calories, so 10 more calories, and it is frosted. It's like frosted goodness, and I've really been enjoying it. So that is the end of my monthly favorites. I hope you guys have really enjoyed this video, and go get yourself some Rice Krispie Treats too, because they're so good. And until next time, bye guys.